In this video, I'll show you how to do a giveaway on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just scroll down on your left sidebar and here you can see the app. So all this app's right here, just click on this all recommended app. Now scroll down until you can see this Shopify App Store. So in here, what we can do is you just need to look for apps that actually use those giveaways. So let's search in here for giveaway. So in here, we have here giveaway and let's search for that. And then once you have searched for this specific thing right here, you should be able to see in here some apps that actually supports giveaway. So you can see they have free trials, they have free plan, and all this right here. So let me just use the social boost giveaway contest. This because they have free plan available and I don't need to purchase it anymore. In here you can see they have this free plan, this full plan, this full featured, as well as this one. So in here, let me just click on install right here in order to properly install it. Now in here, this will actually load in order to ask me access in order to grant it. So let's just wait for that to finish and click on install. And once you have clicked on install right here, as you can see, it will actually slowly install itself on my Shopify store. So once it's been loading, it will install itself. So let's just head over here to see what it looks like. You have your giveaway incentivization platform as well as this actual progress or templates they have and all these things, custom cover and all these things. So let's head over in here, and in here you can see what it looks like right now. So let's head over and click on start right here, click on next, and then in here let's start a campaign. So for example, let's use this Valentine's Day campaign right here. Let's click on view and let's click on use this template. Let's click on yes, create. And as you can see, it will create this campaign for me. So you can also change in here the campaign name, for example. So let's this name is as it, and you can choose a start date for that, as well as the end date right here, and also choose a time zone, and then put in here terms and conditions if you have one. So for this one, let's click on next. And in here you can see that you can actually edit it out however you want. So you can also put in here and enter to win an instant reward, or you can also add in here more entry options. Like for example, you can create a form that you can actually head over and give you some of their information for your email marketing. So let's head back and then just close this one and then let's click on next and let's click on yes, proceed. And we can see in here the title for this one. For example, let's name it prefer reward, or you can also name this as it. So let's make this two friends and you can give them insert reward. Click on next right here. And then as you can see, it's been set up. You can change the appearance, change widgets, and also you can also publish your campaign now. So let's click on publish now. Now as you can see, it's been published. So let's head over and copy this link and let's head over and paste it right here in order to see what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now for our campaign. It will direct us to our Shopify. And when we head over and then try to actually get someone in order to buy from us, we should be able to get some campaign in order to promote this on our dashboard. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.